Hikmat number 31. Hazrat Ali alayhi salam in the same style has explained the reasons and effects of infidelity and loss of belief in God. He says, there are four reasons of infidelity and loss of the belief in God: a desire for the unnecessary rationalization, a passion to dispute every argument, a bigoted and ignorant mind, and a wish not to see and understand truth. Because whoever goes after unreasonable and unnecessary rationalization will never be able to reach the truth. Whoever keeps on disputing every argument on account of his ignorance will always remain blind to realities. Whoever turns his face away from truth because of bigotedness and ignorance will always take good for bad and bad for good, and will always remain satisfied of his ignorance and infidelity. And whoever does not wish to see truth and refuses to accept it will have a very difficult course left open for him. His affairs will be very complicated, and the way to salvation will be very uncertain. Similarly, doubt and uncertainty about the truth of what Islam has taught is based upon four basic reasons: absurd reasoning, fear, vacillation and hesitation, and unreasonable surrender to heathenism and infidelity. Because one who has accustomed himself to unreasonable and absurd discussion will never see the light of truth and will live in the darkness of ignorance. One who is afraid to face true facts of life, death, and the life after death will always turn away from ultimate reality. One who allows doubts and uncertainties to vacillate him will always be under the sway and control of Satan, and one who surrenders himself to heathenism, accepting damnation in this world and hereafter, will so be damned.